Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun Cricut tutorial, so let's get started. I'm excited to be partnering with Cricut to show you today's project featuring the new Cricut Hat Press. To start off, you will need to cut your design in Cricut Design Space using your favorite Cricut machine on iron-on vinyl. Be sure to mirror your image and place the glossy side down on your Cricut mat. Next, you are going to weed your design. Have you seen the True Control weeding kit? It's my new favorite weeding tool. Now it's time to prep the hat. If this is your first project with the hat press, you will need to activate it using the Cricut Heat app. Once activated and connected, simply follow the prompts to get started with your project. Select your transfer material and hat, send the settings to the hat press, and wait for the beep. Open the hat and unfold the sweatband to place the hat on the Cricut hat pressing form. Press down firmly for a tight fit. Prep your hat by preheating for 5 seconds. Apply your design and secure the edges with strong heat-resistant tape. Once you are happy with the design placement, place the hat press on top of the design and move it side to side to make sure the whole design is pressed. Once the hat press beeps, remove and return the hat press to the safety base. Wait for the design to cool and then remove the carrier sheet to reveal your finished hat. And that's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Cricut project ideas. Thanks for watching! See you next time!